2019 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.